did you see that spin?
Pia, you ready?
Yes. Ready to go with Labubu.
Here you go.
4 boxes, 4 chances. Will Penelope find the rare Labubu at DSC Toys? Let's rip them open and find out.
Pia, where are we going?
My Labubu at DSC Toy. We're gonna start opening the top.
Go for it, Pia.
This is to the top. This heart. Can it see what's on the bottom?
Yeah.
I teared off the pink. Why did I tear off pink? Let's see what do I get. Oh, here's the package. Here's the package. Oh,
Whoa.
oh my god. Let's see which one I get.
What color is it? What color?
The brown one.
Whoa, the brown one.
Look how cool this is. First, I need to see what I'm doing first. Oh. Okay, here's the ones that we're getting.
Okay.
So we can get this one, we can get the blue or the yellow or the peach, or the mystery one or purple, or the one that I just turned right here on the screen. Or the blue, the light blue, or we get the mystery one. I think I'm gonna get the mystery one.
Hopefully.
Hopefully I will get the mystery one. Okay, here we go.
Good job. What is it? What is it?
Which one is it?
What is it? Oh my God, what is that?
This is the coolest one that's sitting down. Sometimes they're on that scene, this scene they were standing up, and this scene they're sitting down. But
Show me in the box which one it is.
it was that one.
That one right there.
This is another big one. Okay, I really want to get the mystery one.
Okay.
Cause that one's the black one. Or the darker. Let's see.
There we go.
I think we're gonna get the I think we're gonna get the this one, or that one, or that one, or that one, or that one, or this one again, or the mystery one. Big energy. I don't even know. I don't know yet. Okay, I've been trying to break this thing for 15 years. Let's see which one.
Whoa, which one is it? Which one is it?
Golden toes. Big energy. Okay, Dad, there's a golden ear, and a golden nose, and a golden teeth, and golden toes.
Gotcha.
My mom's favorite color?
That one. Okay, gotcha.
Big energy, Labubu.
Penelope found her new favorite toy. Now it's your turn. Store info's in the description, so go check it out.